MSGP of France with Marshal Weltin. Marshal, you don't have the smile today.
No.
Less than last weekend. Are you like Phil Nicoletti right now?
A little bit.
What happened?
I guess my mindset could kind of relate to Phil's, but just some bad luck. I don't know, kind of bad luck, but also I put myself in position for that bad luck. So it's not only, there's things I could have done a little differently that could have resulted in a little bit better for this weekend. But yeah, first moto I had 2 crashes, one specifically on the start. I think I was around 20 seconds behind before I even got to the 3rd turn, but then the second moto, I got 2 giant rocks lodged between my rear brake and my clutch cover. So again, like 40 seconds behind last place, and I didn't even know what was wrong with the bike, and found that and kind of fixed it on my own. And just it's a bummer. Qualifying wasn't quite there either. I had a giant crash in qualifying. My whole body just kind of aches. This track it's for men, that's for sure.
Yeah, I feel like when you have some good luck, everything goes well, or you get a good start, you don't have any mechanical problems or anything. But today, you didn't have anything.
Yeah, it just wasn't flowing in my direction. I felt like I was swimming upstream, but hopefully I can somehow find another way to have a weekend like Matterley again. That was a great feeling. It felt like everything just kind of worked together, and I'm probably gonna have to live off that feeling of last weekend for a while to keep me motivated.
Last weekend the dirt was like chocolate. And what did you do on the bike?
Man.
Because today, the whole weekend, yesterday was hard pack and today was really muddy.
Yeah.
What did you do to the bike compared to last weekend and compared to yesterday?
It's probably kind of a little bit of my issue. Last weekend it just so happened my bike felt amazing in the conditions. I think it was a little bit softer, and I had really good traction. Felt like I could just turn on a dime. And this weekend with the ruts and down the hills aggressively in the mud, and I think I need a little bit stiffer setup for the weekend. But no, hopefully we can learn from it and head into Autobiano strong. I feel really fatigued. Like, I don't know if you can see it in my face now, but my whole body hurts. You gotta literally like touch any part and be like, ow, ow, ow.
Do you think it's Phil's fault because you had that bad luck? He was lucky this week, because he got a Rockstar Husqvarna ride.
Phil had a good week, and then it reflected on me, and I had a bad week. So I mean, at least one of us, if it works like that, I'd at least be happy, because then we're both doing good at some point.
All right, I hope so, and good luck for the rest of the season.
All right, thanks for the interview.